how to create WeChat account. So if you want to create a WeChat account, then first you need to simply install the application. So if you've not installed the application, go to your Play Store or your App Store and install the application. Once you've installed, simply tap on WeChat and open up your WeChat application. Once you've opened, now here you will have two options. So one is sign up and another one is login. So simply go with sign up option, which is on the bottom right. And here you will have two options, sign up with mobile or sign up with Facebook. So I'll be choosing mobile. And here you will get this kind of interface where you just need to simply enter the name. So on the first blank, you need to enter the name and then go with the country and region and select a country or a region and then enter your mobile number and then enter password. So make sure to create a strong password. Once you've created, now you need to tap on I have read and accepted the terms and conditions and then tap on accept and continue, which is on bottom. And now scroll down and then again tap on I have read and acknowledged the privacy policy and tap on next. And now it says that you need to verify the security. So you just need to verify your number. So simply tap on authenticate, which is here on the bottom of your screen, and you need to verify. And you need to select a security verification method. Once you've selected the security verification method, you will receive a code to the mobile number that you have just entered, and you need to enter the code. Once you enter the code, you will be able to create your account. And that's it. That's how you can create your WeChat account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.